Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your money with Payoneer, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your money with Payoneer, start by logging into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will see your available balance and recent transactions. Locate the withdraw option on the left-hand menu. Click on withdraw to see the different withdrawal options available. Select to bank account if you wish to transfer to a personal bank account. If you haven't set up a bank account yet, click on Link a new bank account. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details. Make sure to input the correct bank account number and routing number. After entering the information, choose the currency of your bank account. Save the changes to link your bank account to your Payoneer account. Now return to the withdraw section and select to bank account again. Choose the bank account you just linked from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Payoneer balance. Payoneer may display any applicable fees for the transaction, so review those carefully. Confirm all details are accurate before proceeding. Click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message about your withdrawal request. Typically, the funds will arrive in your bank account within a few business days. Check your bank account to ensure the transfer has been completed successfully. If you encounter any issues, visit the Payoneer Help Center for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.